It was a romantic notion during the early 1970s that revolution might change the balance of power in the world. The impoverished might rise above their repression, wealth might become more equally distributed, and the idealism of youth might somehow alter the historical and inevitable solutions of warfare. Ilich Ramirez Sanchez, later known as Carlos the Jackal, in the mistaken eyes of some, represented change, bringing capitalism to its knees. Raised in Venezuela as a confirmed Marxist, he developed a cult following for his daring and brazen terrorist attacks in 1975, initially holding a group of 60 hostages at the headquarters of OPEC. He would attach himself to the Palestinian cause before becoming responsible for senseless violence, killing 6 people and injuring 100 within Paris alone. His personal reign of terror began when in October 1974 he tossed a grenade into a Latin Quarter drugstore, killing 2 and wounding 34. The following year he killed 3 men inside his apartment, 1 a former comrade and 2 unarmed policemen. In April 1982, he bombed a Lebanese newspaper near the Champs Elysees during early morning rush hour. A woman was killed and 60 injured. He would flee to Syria before traveling to the Sudan, where he would be arrested during the 1990s. What French police discovered during the arrest was a bloated, alcoholic psychopath with no idealism except his personal survival. He was tried and convicted to life in prison in Clairvaux jail. The causes he supposedly supported disavowed their association with him.